Hello everybody and welcome. Eva here. We're at Animal Kingdom today and we're going to ride the train. Come and join us. We know they're getting ready for something. And here they come. Oh my God, they're coming close. That was great.
Wow! It's still coming.
Yeah, they come close.
Baby, is that crazy or what?
Look how beautiful that one is. Oh my goodness, so beautiful.
Boy, I was something with the bird, huh?
They all left, but this guy did not want to leave. He just wanted to hang out. Look what I just found. And there's a deer eating by the tree of life. Is that a deer? That's a kangaroo. Oh. There's a kangaroo eating by the tree of life. Oh my God, they're playing. Time to catch the train and we're headed to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Looks like there's a few destinations that we can pick from, but we're going to the conservation station. We're on the train.
Hey everybody! Ready to ride the train! Yeah, it's me, Marky Marks! Marky
Just be mindful that you keep the face coming out all the time. Don't tap your nose to bounce your chin. And also please keep in mind this will be a one-way trip over to a big garage. Once you get inside, you got to get off the train.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki's Planet Watch.
It's a bumpy ride.
Discover a wide range of animal adventures.
That looks like one of the Kilimanjaro safari trucks we just passed.
And your face covering must be on at all times. Or I do have to stop the train.
For some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way, and the highly trained specialists who care for them. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant.
Oh, look at the baby!
Here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are
And we have made it to Conservation Station. I believe that looks like Rafiki up ahead, waiting to greet us. Hi. Hopefully we'll get to pet some of the animals. Right here are the goats. And there are some running around loose and some in the enclosed areas.
Not with him. Do they play?
Little guy, hi. Hi, Leia. Leia. Hi. We found out that little Miss Leia there on the right is a bit of a bully around here. Did you hear that?
I know. Just run away.
These guys are so well behaved. So soft. And that concludes our visit to the conservation station. We are headed back now. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please, if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave me a comment and please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for joining me again. Hope you'll join me on the next one.
Disney Nature, the latest continuation of this wildlife storytelling tradition. With the release of powerful films like African Cats, Born in China, and Penguins, Disney Nature creates a unique opportunity to connect with wildlife on an emotional level, inspiring us to preserve nature through care and understanding. And did you know that each film provides an opportunity for filmgoers to become conservationists just by seeing the films?
We'll be on our way in just a moment, everyone.
Distance from the parties around you. Remember, everyone, I'd love us on a safe trip here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. So keep up with regular hand washing and utilize our hand sanitizing stations around the park.